तो अलीना, आई नो दैट ऑफ कोर्स जब काफी एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने अपने जब करियर स्टार्ट करते हैं,
Hmm.
एंड एक्टिंग इन जनरल पर से,
Yeah.
it is a very rewarding role once
Hmm.
it comes to fruition. Lekin back end mein, I want to know, and I want my viewers to know, that behind the camera, how was your journey? Because I, as your sister, know there was a lot of mental and physical stress, and a lot of mental and physical barriers that you had to surmount in order to get the project done. Do you perhaps want to shed some light on that? कि
Yeah,
आपके
it's
कभी कोई ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट्स आए, क्या क्या चीजें थी कि कभी आप उठी और आपने कहा
every
मेरी
day,
बस हो एवरी
every
डे?
day, every day.
Do you perhaps want to share a story or two?
I think,
And I remember कि Kiryana के time पे you got super sick, and the director told you, or the director, probably the producer, they asked you कि if you want to leave you can leave,
hmm.
but you were like, I will not leave, and then you had to sign a document or something like that. I want you to tell my viewers about that.
The thing is कि उस टाइम पे पीक कोविड फैला हुआ था 2020 के बाद 2021 में ये हुआ था शूट और उस टाइम पे वी डिडंट वांट टू टेक एनी चांसेस डेफिनेटली मतलब लोगों को दोबारा दोबारा भी कोविड हो रहा था एंड वी वर रियली स्केयर्ड तो जब हम लोगों का पहला जब हमने फर्स्ट डे हमने शूट किया तो द नेक्स्ट डे आई वाज थ्रोइंग अप बिकॉज आई हैड violent food poisoning.
And you have always had a sensitive stomach.
Obviously ऊपर से
Always.
change in आप
Weather,
weather
environment,
भी
yeah.
environment भी ऊपर से आप लोग मैं भी COVID से निकल के भी I was getting normal as well. बहुत सारे सारे फैक्टर्स को आपको देखना पड़ता है आपकी खुद की भी ना जो इम्यून सिस्टम होता है वो काफी वीक हुआ हुआ होता है.
And were you also substantially sick because you were
I was
away
really
from home
homesick.
as
Yeah, I was
well?
really homesick because obviously that was my first ever time away from home
And
for
for 6 months.
for half a year.
Oh
Yeah.
my, I remember.
And it was also very like physically or mentally बहुत toiling होता है
Yeah.
because obviously आप अपने घर से बहुत दूर होते हैं और even though Islamabad is home to me and
Yeah.
you लेकिन still away from everyone on your own आप बीमार पड़ रहे हैं आपकी हजार तरह के
Yeah.
issues होते हैं but I think so yeah the producers basically wanted me to go home because they were like it's best कि आपकी health आपकी priority होनी चाहिए and I was okay with it. Somewhere I wasn't, but basically होता नहीं कि it's a coward's way out.
Yeah.
कि like ठीक है मैं कर लेती हूँ because I'm homesick as well मैं कर लूंगी जब मुझे opportunity मिलेगी whatever. I'm telling myself all these things and I wanted to believe it. Thank God there was one person there who didn't let me believe all this. Um, my best friend Fizza, she was also working on the. I'm sorry. She was also working on this project very closely with all of us.
A big shout out to our best friend
Fiza
Fiza
Abid,
Abid.
yeah, she's totally like
She's an
she's a
angel.
girl's girl.
She is the
and
truest friend which we've ever had.
and a boss lady,
And
definitely.
a boss lady.
So I thank my stars and I owe it to Fiza for not letting me quit. It is all because of Fiza.
And I remember you telling me she was the one taking your appointments.
उसने ही मुझे ठीक किया था उसने मुझे खड़ा किया था मेरे पैरों पे उसने ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली थी उसने कहा था कि मैं साइन करती हूँ ये और ये शी कांट किराना यही करेगी.
Fiza was God sent, wasn't she?
नहीं और Fiza I think is the only person who believed in me and saw it in me when I couldn't see it in myself. Fiza was the only person and the way she cried when this was happening, this conversation was taking place. Okay, like, no, this is your dream. You can't just walk away from it. You can't be so weak. You can't quit. I'm not going to let you quit.
Amazing.
So you need such people around you.
I know Fizza. That's
Yeah.
absolutely Fizza.
So yeah, Fizza is my everything. I mean, मुझे ये जाके तब realize हुआ था.